హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు 360 నేను మీ జాన్వి. ఈ రోజు మనం ది మోస్ట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండ్ టాలెంటెడ్ యాక్ట్రెస్తో ఉన్నాం. షీ ఈజ్ నన్ అదర్ దాన్ దీపా థామస్, ది లీడింగ్ లేడీ ఆఫ్ రావ్ బహదూర్స్. ఇంకా లేట్ చేయకుండా వెంటనే తనతో ముచ్చట్లోకి వెళ్దాం. ఈ మూవీ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది అండ్ ఈ మూవీలో ఆమె క్యారెక్టర్ ఎలా ఉండబోతుందో తన మాటల్లోనే తెలుసుకుందాం. లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ హర్. హాయ్ అండి.
Hi, hi.
హౌ యూ డూయింగ్ టుడే?
I'm doing good. How are you?
యా ఐఎమ్ గ్రేట్, థ్యాంక్
I
యూ.
got to know that this is your first interview. Yeah, all the
Yeah,
best. And
thank
this is
you.
also my first interview for Telugu 360. All the best for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the first thing is you're looking very gorgeous.
Thank
and
you so much.
especially your eyes very attractive. What's your beauty secret?
Thank you so much. Beauty secrets is I'll thank my parents for definitely if you are feeling that I'm looking beautiful. And definitely I'm in this industry, so we definitely have to look your skin and your hair. So I take care of it every single day religiously.
Done.
Yeah.
So ఇంకా లేట్ ఎందుకు మనం మూవీ విషయాల్లోకి వెళ్దాము. సో I think this is your first movie, right?
Yeah.
So how did you get this opportunity?
Is
Like
it
have you attended any auditions or is it an direct opportunity?
For sure, because basically I'm a Malayali,
Okay.
so Telugu is very new to me. So I don't even know this language, and definitely I got connected through the director, and I got this opportunity, and I had the audition for this film where the script was a scene was given to me, and it was completely in Telugu, which I had to speak. And I just sent the audition, and then I got this opportunity. I was selected for this film Rao Bahadur.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
really great.
Yeah.
And the next question is like this is your debut film, right?
Mhm.
It means everything is very new to you.
Yeah.
And you know everything looks very easy on screen, but behind that there will be so much hard work, right?
Yeah.
So what challenges have you faced?
Basically, this is my first film where I could get an opportunity to perform. So, being an actor, it's always a pleasure for us, like to get a performance-oriented character. So, I can't speak a lot about this character because I can just say that my character name is Renuka, and basically, I'm playing a role of a nurse. And I'm actually a BSc nurse graduate. I studied nursing, and which had helped me out in a way, but there are some layers of this character where I can't tell now. But I will thank to my director Venkatesh Mahagaru for giving me this opportunity, which was not that easy for me to perform, but he gave me that confidence to perform in this film. So I would hope that people would love this character once you watch it in theaters. Yeah.
Definitely they will. So and you acted with Satyadev, right?
Yeah,
So he's such an powerhouse performer.
for sure.
So
for sure.
like how was your experience with him?
So he is an actor that I would like to say who's very hardworking, and he's a very impeccable, talented actor. He's a versatile actor, and also I got to know that he's a self-made actor. He's not a star kid, basically. So being in, I'm also not from a film background, so I can really connect to him because the way how he have reached to this position would be so hard for him. And working with him was wonderful. Like I could learn a lot of things from Satyadev Garu, that the layer of, as you can see, did you watch the trailer of this film?
Yes, yes.
Teaser?
Yes, I
Yeah,
did.
not even a teaser. In that teaser itself, we can understand how how powerful performance he have given. So all the time, because I don't know this language, and he always used to help me out to speak. Like whenever it was difficult for me to remember the dialogues, he even say my dialogues, help me out to this is this dialogue, you just tell it. And I have got a lot of opportunity to work with him, which is a blessed opportunity for me. And I'm very thankful to everyone who have given me this opportunity to work with Satya.
That's really good. And there is a dialogue
Yeah,
like doubt is a deadly demand, right?
yeah, exactly.
So what is doubt according to you?
Doubt according
Yeah,
to me.
deadly doubt. What do you mean?
Doubt, according to me, is that if you self-doubt yourself, if you self-doubt, it's something that you're taking away your soul. You shouldn't self-doubt. Yeah, you should have that confidence in your life that never confuse your talent or whatever you have. Just go with the flow and just go forward with it. Yeah, that's it.
Every character leaves an impact, right?
Yeah.
So what's the element you carry forward from this character?
An element that I would carry forward at this film would be the complete role. This Renuka, what I've played, is is a little bit of intense character that I've done in my whole career, movie career. So it would be like I would be a person who would like to work hard for whatever my director is giving. I will spend a lot of time to work on a performance, like for that role or that scene. So it would be basically, I can't speak about this because I wanted to speak a lot about this character, but I can't. So it would be. I'm a hardworking person. I like to work hard for
Okay.
something I do.
That's really great.
Thank you so
And
much.
like, what made you to pick this character? Because it's a horror movie and it's your debut film, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So basically, people choose glamour things, kind of that kind of films.
Yeah.
And what made you to pick this?
Pick this because this is a good character. This character Renuka has a layers of to perform. So I thought that being an actor, it's always as I said, it's a pleasure to do a performance oriented film.
Okay.
And definitely Care of Kanjarapalam is one of my favorite, and you have watched that film,
yes,
right?
Yes, yes.
And there are a lot of fans for that film in Kerala. Even when I was talking to one of my friends, close friends, that I'm doing a film with the director of Care of Kanjarapalam, she have already watched that film during that Corona time. And she was telling that it's wonderful film that we have received in Indian cinema. So when I got this opportunity, I was so blessed to work with such a wonderful director.
Okay.
And definitely I'll say yes to this film,
Yeah.
of course.
Yeah, and working in Telugu industry, like it will be a great problem for you, right? Because language is most important, no?
Definitely.
So how did you get through this?
So basically, we had a session, like we had workshops.
Okay.
So we had around 6 months of workshops
For what?
for this character.
Okay.
Because I'm new to this industry and I worked in Malayalam film industry, but it is new to me.
Okay.
Telugu
What did
is
you do
new.
in that workshop?
Definitely, we have to learn the dialogues, right?
Dialogues. Okay.
It's just not the ABCD. It was always the dialogues what I was going through.
Okay.
So I was learning. I was in a learning process around for 6 months.
Okay.
So
Have you into any film schools like that?
No.
No acting schools, nothing.
No, I haven't.
Okay.
I
That's
worked
a natural
like-
talent you have.
No, I don't say that, but I would say that I had experience to work with camera because I was a model.
Okay.
So I was modeling, I was doing ad shoots. So I got that experience to work with camera in the early stage. Then I started 2 films. That's how.
5 lines about Deepa Thomas.
5 lines about Deepa Thomas. I would say I'm a dreamer, I'm an achiever, and I'm a hard worker. And what? That's enough, no? 3 is enough for now.
That's so cute. And let's get into rapid fire.
Okay.
Okay. And the first question is, one funny incident from the shooting set.
One funny incident. There are a lot of funny incidents in the set.
Okay.
So as I said, Telugu is very new to me. It was very difficult, like I remembering all the dialogues.
Okay.
So one scene I remember that I was prepared for the shot. So Mahagaru is sitting there to say action. So Satya Garu is near to me and we are about to say the dialogue. So if that action has come, it's very easy for me to say the dialogue.
Okay.
So suddenly we were prepared. All of a sudden Satya, Maha, he went there. All of a sudden I forgot all the dialogue and I was
Oh.
like, Vicky, come fast. Tell me, Vicky is the AD of this film and I'm asking AD to narrate, to say the dialogue again.
Okay.
So I have these kinds of moments like, it should have tappe like fast.
Okay.
If take time, I'll forget the dialogue. So Satya used to do it like in between.
Okay.
Because
Actually,
he
that was my next question.
no, because it's a good thing.
Yeah.
Where he have a lot of doubts, he ask him what to
Okay.
do. Is it okay if I do this, like that and
Okay.
all. But it's difficult for me as an actor where I forget the dialogue so fast.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's your favorite emoji?
My
You should act. Most used
Mostly-
emoji.
So mostly used emoji is like, I'm not an emoji fan.
Okay.
So I have this core memory of, we used this cell phone, no, the normal phone,
Yeah.
where the Nokia phones we had.
Uh-huh.
So we used to type that smiley, 2 dot and that.
Yeah.
That is my favorite smiley, I would say.
Okay.
Not the emojis I used a
Okay.
lot. Yeah. So that smile, normal smile. Yeah.
So, one emoji for us.
I'll
Whichever
give
one.
this for you.
Oh, so cute.
Okay.
And the next one is one habit you want to change.
One habit I want to change. Waking up early. Waking up late.
Late.
Yeah. I actually wanted to wake up so early, but it's not easy for me. But I'm trying my best. I'm not getting it.
Oh,
I want to change that one habit.
this is very crazy. And next one, if not an actress, what would you be?
I would like to be a fashion designer.
Oh,
I love clothes. I love to design things and all like that.
and your attire is good today, actually.
Thank you so
like,
much.
who designed it?
This is from a brand called I Am West.
Okay.
It's from Calicut, Kerala.
Okay.
So I just choose this. And
For
I
yourself.
wore- yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
cute.
Thank you so much.
And next one, one food you can eat every day.
One food.
Yeah.
Rice, curry, my mother's food,
Okay.
which I like so
Which
much.
rice? Like Kerala rice or
Kerala rice for
Kerala
sure.
rice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
you call it
Whichever.
chamba rice, right?
Yeah, we have a lot of fiber in that. So I used to have that red rice,
Oh,
which I like.
great.
Yeah.
And next question, romantic scenes or emotional scenes? Which is tougher for you?
Tougher.
Yes.
Tougher for me would be emotional scenes.
Oh, crazy answer. Okay, so romantic scenes are easy for you.
Yeah.
Oh, very cute. Okay, so
Hmm.
one small act for us.
For what?
Something very like any expression.
For
Romantic
romance,
expression. Romantic. One small romantic expression.
Romance. Okay, I'll do something like so that person I like is there,
Hmm.
but he shouldn't see that I'm one side love. Okay.
Okay.
I'll
Done.
show that. So he's working there and I'm just
Okay.
it's enough.
You're
no?
cute.
If I go beyond, it will be
Oh,
bad.
very cute. Okay. Next question. Who takes more time to get ready, you or hero?
Oh my God, that is. I think that Rao Bahadur, there was BTS that we have uploaded. In that you can understand who is the most. Usually we would say that woman takes a lot of time.
Yeah.
But I would appreciate that for this one Rao Bahadur film, Satyadev Garu took around 4 hours to get ready, because you can see the get-ups,
Yeah,
whatever
that
he's
makeup
going.
and all.
You have around 7 looks, which is not easy, because I'm a lover of retro films. I love to work for retro
Okay.
films. But after getting to know that, to get ready for a film like this, period films, is so hard. Because you have to get ready with that old hairstyle, which is very difficult. That kinds of mustache, that kind of beard, it's so difficult. So definitely Satyadev Garu took a lot of time to get ready. Than
And I think he's till 4 to 5 hours with that makeup, right?
Yeah,
Have you
yeah.
ever felt like he's an old man?
Oh,
That getup is like that, right?
like you're talking about the period
The
film?
character, yes, the
What
character.
age category you're talking about?
That one, that with mustard and long hair, that attire. He
The
looks like that king.
the young
attire.
look,
No, that king. That look.
the old look,
The old look.
man look.
Yes, old man look.
I told Satya that you look so attractive in that old look.
Oops.
I already told him that.
Okay.
Yeah, it was looking good for him, even though it's an old things and all, but it was so good for him.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the next question: if you could steal one quality from your co-actor, what it would be?
Of course, his patience.
Patience.
We have a lot of patience. That's what I was telling you, that 4-5 hours is not that easy for a human man to sit in a seat, chair, and working for his hair, makeup, prosthetics. So I would say his patience
Great.
and also his talent.
Oh. So, one thing that made you say yes to this film?
Yes to this film because I love one film is enough, like Care of Kanjarapalam, where
So, because
the
of director.
Definitely because of the director Venkatesh Mahagaru. I respect his work and his craft. He's a visionary director, which we can look forward. Yeah.
Of course. Yes. And one superpower you would like to have?
One superpower that I would like to have, to know people's heart, intentions. I would
Why?
like-
What made you to?
Because it's difficult to know some people, like, so I would like to know the intentions of
Okay,
people.
from the movie, whom you want to know?
No, not like that.
Whose intentions do you want to
Commonly,
know?
I would like to know, like, what is, like, who's this person? Like, we would like to know some backgrounds of this
Okay.
person, like, to be good friends.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. And next question: messy hair or ruined makeup?
Messy hair.
Messy hair.
Yeah.
So you have curly hair and
Yeah.
like most of the Kerala girls will have curly hair, and they take so much precautions for their
Is it?
hair.
I don't know. I've heard a lot that Kerala girls have a lot of curly hair.
Yeah.
No, it's
Okay.
just you're feeling it. Most of the Kerala girls, I don't think so. There are a lot of people who have this wavy hair, straight hair. It's common only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
It's
And-
it's different. Like, you get a thicker hair. I've seen thicker hair in Kerala women.
Thicker and longer.
Longer. Yeah. It is there.
So do you use normal coconut oil, like your hair secret?
Coconut oil. Definitely coconut oil.
Okay.
Yeah.
So while shooting, did you carry from there? Like, did you bring?
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Okay, that's cute. And next question: dance scene with no music or romantic scene with worst enemy?
Dancing with no music.
I think you'll say. I thought you'll say that romance.
No.
No.
Dancing
Dancing.
with no music.
Next question. I think this is very tough for you.
Okay.
So, who is your favorite, hero or director?
In the film?
Yes.
That's so difficult, but pass. I would say both are my favorite.
So, you have to pick only one.
Pick only one. No, I would say both.
Both.
Yeah, I can't.
Safe.
Like,
Playing
safe is better.
Okay. Next, who is your favorite hero?
Favorite hero from Telugu, I would say Nani.
Nani.
Nani, I like Nani.
So, like, shall we think that your next movie would be with Nani Garu?
Oh, I'm blessed.
Yes. And next question, your favorite heroine? By the way,
Heroine. I love Nitya Menon.
Nitya Menon.
Yeah, I'm a fan
Oh.
of Nitya Menon.
Cute.
I'm from Telugu also. I love Savitri Garu.
Okay.
She's my favorite. Yeah.
So, do you have any regrets?
No.
No?
No.
Like with your friends, family?
No.
No?
I don't have any regrets.
There
is no use
About
to.
film?
Film?
Hmm.
No.
No.
No. Everything happens for a reason. I believe in that. So
Oh,
I'm in a state of that.
come a believer.
Yeah. You regret on anything in your life? Yeah?
That's a tricky question.
Yeah.
I'll answer.
I'll
small.
ask you. You regret?
Uh,
Yeah.
maybe no. Yes. No.
Answer one, yes or no. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's okay. Yeah. You'll get through it. But still, it's life, no?
Yeah.
We have to live. Live your life. Whatever
Correct.
maybe it's past. You will be happy. Yeah.
And next question. So, if this movie was a flavor of ice cream, what flavor would it be?
So, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Oh, you said it so cutely. And what's your secret habit you do when you are nervous before the shot?
Secret habit?
You do when you feel nervous on the sets. You do something right that nobody knows.
Oh, journaling. I'm a person who loves journaling.
Okay.
So whenever I'm nervous, whenever I'm sad, whenever I'm happy, this is the one thing I do. I write. If I want something to happen at this moment, this is what I write. Like I will write, this should happen like this. No. I'll be very happy and calm
Oh,
after that. Yes.
nice. And next, are you a coffee person or a tea person?
It's too difficult when you ask me this question because
Oh.
I love both. Like morning I need coffee, evening I need chai. So if it is like you ask me, do you like sun or moon?
Oh.
Both are important for the world. So like that for me, both are important for me.
Okay,
Chai and-
important.
Yeah, chai and coffee, I love both.
Right. And what is your biggest fear?
Biggest fear?
Hmm.
Biggest fear, I would say, of losing someone you love the most. So when I started from Kerala, one day back I missed my cat. My cat was missing, and I was very upset. I was sitting in the airport, and I was just thinking that I have to go back to Kerala. I don't want to sit here.
Oh.
I was little very sad, and literally I got that point that is the most fearful thing that if happened. And my cat came back, okay? That was something I was very happy. But that is fear, if you ask, is losing someone you love the most.
Okay.
No.
So you are a pet lover.
I'm a pet lover. I have a cat and I have a dog.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cute. And next, your dream role.
My dream role. I would say that I would love to play a role of an athlete.
Athlete.
And yeah, I have one more. I would like to do a biopic
Oh.
of someone who's so aspiring. Though, you know?
Nice.
Yeah.
And okay, last question but not least.
Okay.
One song for us.
Yeah, I can sing, but my throat is not that good. So forgive me if there is any mistakes, and I'm gonna sing a Telugu song.
Oh my god. Chalo.
Telugu song, Suffer. This is from the film. That is
Okay.
one of my favorite film. That is Care of Kanjarapalam.
Oh.
I hope you know this Asa Pasam.
Oh.
There might be some lyrical issues, but forgive me. Asa Pasam Bandi Sele Sage Kalam Ade Atele Tira Tiram Sere Logane Teravno సేడువైనా సేదు దూరాలే తోడవుతూనే వీడే వైనాలే నీతో కాదో తేలేలోగానే తేటవును ఆటు పోటు గుండె మాటుల్లోనా సాగేనా.
Wow. So sweet of you. ఎంతో క్యూట్ గా వాడారు అసలు. I think Telugu industry should use this talent. This is your hidden talent.
Thank you. He is like running. Oh my god, what did I hear now? I'm just going away.
So cute, so cute. So do you want any do you have any special things you want me to ask you?
I just want to say that on July 3rd, Rao Bahadur is going to release.
ఓకే
So please do watch this film, starring Satyadev Kancharna, directed by our own Venkatesh Mahagaru. So I hope this film would be a special one for you too. And this is definitely a special one for me because I'm doing the debut film in.
ఓకే
Yeah.
అండ్ వన్ లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఐ లాస్ట్ యూ లైక్ వై షుడ్ పీపుల్ గో టు థియేటర్ అండ్ వాచ్ దిస్ మూవీ?
Okay. So, because this film is something which is very different from whatever you have seen in TFI. So, I believe that this is gonna give you a very special feeling if you watch. For sure I'm saying you love this film.
సో చూసారు కదా మన హీరోయిన్ గారి ముద్దు ముద్దు క్యూట్ క్యూట్ మాటలు, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండ్ చాలా టాలెంటెడ్గా కనిపిస్తున్నారు. షీఈ్ ఆల్సో ఎ సింగర్, చాలా బాగా పాడుతున్నారు కూడా. సో అండ్ మూవీ విశేషాలు అయితే ఇట్లా ఉన్నాయి. సో July 3rd ఖచ్చితంగా మీ ఫ్యామిలీ అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో కలిసి థియేటర్స్లోనే మూవీ చూడండి. ఓటీటీ వరకు అసలు వెయిట్ చేయకండి బికాస్ ట్రైలర్ చూస్తేనే గూస్ బంప్స్ వచ్చేసినాయి, చాలా క్రేజీ అనిపిస్తుంది. యూ మస్ట్ వాచ్ ఇన్ థియేటర్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ జాన్వి సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్ తెలుగు 360.